Ever wanted to create your own smartphone application? Many applications we use today are created using a computer, which usually requires a thorough understanding of different programming languages. This can be a stressful experience for people who have no programming background. What if developing could be more simple? Perhaps starting on a device you are already familiar with will help you get started. Introducing Sketchware, a development environment on your Android smartphone. With developing made possible on your phone, you can make applications anywhere, anytime. At the park, during your lunch break, or even in the bathroom. Simply drag and drop to design your application and program using block languages like Scratch. Scratch is an innovative programming language created by MIT to make programming friendly for everyone. Sketchware converts your project into necessary Java and XML source codes, so it makes programming not only easy and fun to learn, but also very time efficient. It can range from assisting as a friendly educational tool for children to serving as a professional tool for developers to quickly start a new project. Export your finished project to continue working on Android Studio, or share it with your friends to show them what you made. Best of all, Sketchware is completely free, with no strings attached. What are you waiting for? Create your very own applications today.